This is Casey. He's been working at Ascend Studios for over 10 years. And to celebrate this milestone, Ascend is surprising him with a special treat. Unbeknownst to him, Casey will be driving a NASCAR race car at the Daytona International Speedway, home of the Daytona 500.
Josh, where are we right now, and what are we doing here? Exactly?
Oh man, so we are at Daytona Speedway 500 in Daytona, and we are here to race cars, which is absurd. So we're celebrating Casey, 10 years at Ascend, 10 years of making magic, being creative, going through all the ups and downs of starting a startup, and we just want to give him an awesome freaking day. Yeah.
Does he know anything about it?
He has no idea. He has no idea. He thinks we're coming here for a site visit. He thinks we're coming here to look at some speakers and some lame stuff like that of like work every day. And then there's a race suit waiting for him, which is so freaking cool. So freaking cool.
He doesn't suspect a thing.
Doesn't suspect a thing. We've been trying, there's a few of us who've tried to keep it super secret sick days, secret budget things to get it all done. It's a hard category.
What's up, buddy?
What's up, dude?
What's going on?
So today, we're not meeting anybody. You're driving a race car.
I'm driving a race car.
You're driving a car around the track.
Wow. All right. Wow.
So, no meeting. Get
Well
ready,
done.
brother.
Well done. Wow.
NASCAR. It's going to be insane.
How do you feel about it?
Excited. A little nervous, but excited, ready. Hopefully I don't go too slow. I don't want to go too fast either, I guess. Yeah, excited. I think those really fast ones are the ride along.
Yeah, for sure. You can tell.
That makes more sense now.
Ramona got a crappy.
You get really good at picking out people's head sizes. After a while,
You think Casey will get a booster seat? better get best time, Casey. Just a little smoke, it's okay. Just a little burnout. Just don't get kicked out. Right. Sounds like a last lap kind of thing.
He's ready to go again.
He is. He's gonna get in like a bar fight later. He's just so amped up.
That was fun.
It was awesome. Thanks, man. Congrats.
Thank you. Pablo, thank you, buddy. This was awesome. Thank you, really.
Happy anniversary, my friend.
Thank you.
10 ridiculous years.
10 years.
10 years. Having put up with me. Thank you. Thank you.
No, you're very welcome.
All right. Racing.
Racing.